So today we will discuss about the demonstration of the implementation of chatting application using gRPC server and client. In this project, gRPC server is created by using Java and gRPC client is done in Python. So this is the architecture of our chatting application. Chat server is a server and chat client is a client. And whenever server starts the connection, client will join the connection and it creates the channel. And here are the chat services which are the RPCs, which implements the RPCs. So these are the different RPCs methods: list, join, leave, post, help, and receive. So when the channel is created, it will create the stub. uh, Chat service will create the stub, and this stub has two asynchronously methods: run user input and get message from server. Run user input implements 5 RPCs: help, join, leave, list, and post. uh, and get message from server implements receive RPCs. RPC list will execute the list method. RPC join will execute the join method, and uh, client will join the channel by using this method. And leave method define that client is leaving the channel. Post message is like client is posting the message to the server. Help will show what are the various options available.
So for the chat server implementation, we used concurrent hash maps for the data structures in order to organize our data. And we can kind of go through each one of the methods up here. So at first we have the show help one, and this provides the user with all the different commands that they can use in order to navigate through the program. And then we have the actual help method itself, which you can see it's being passed in. The RPC message from the client is being passed in. And then we also have the stream observer being used as a response to send back. And each time that help message is generated, it creates the chat with the new builder, and then sets the message, builds the message, and then uses the on next command, passing the actual message itself. In this case, it's help, back to the client. And then once that's done, it calls the on completed in order to shut down the stream, so it's not just left open. Next up, we have add to channel. For this one, it takes in the client ID, the channel name, and then as well the stream observer in order to send the response. Checks the channel name to use to check to see whether or not the client is already in the channel. If it's not, then it'll add it to. If it is, then it will send a message back saying that they are already a part of the channel, so that the user is able to do whatever it is they want to do next. We also have a check if client exists method in order to call that from other methods. Show channels and clients. This is used elsewhere as well, kind of a helper method. The list method as well takes in the message. This is one of the commands that the user can send via the client. It takes in the actual message. Again, it has the stream observer to send the response, and then you can see here it takes in this information and uses the builder in order to put everything together, and then send it back to the client so that they can see all the different channels that are on there and which clients are a part of which channels. And then here again, you can see it has the on next method, which is what it uses to send back, or the on next command, which is what it uses to send the message back, and then the uncompleted shuts down that stream again. And here's the join method. This one again takes in similar information. To use the channel name to get the channel name, client ID, checks whether or not uses a Boolean to check whether or not it's they are already a part of that channel, and then either adds them to or sends a message back saying that they are already a part of the channel. And then we have the leave method. And this is where the client is able to, if they're a part of a channel, they're able to send a message to leave, and then they're taken off the channel. And then we have the leave channel. Let's see, and then our post method, which this one is, again, it's taking in the same information, and then from that RPC stream, it's able to get the channel name, client ID, nickname, and the content. And then here it, again, assembles all that information and checks to see whether the client exists, and then provides error messages if there are issues, for instance, if they're not a part of the channel already. And then otherwise, if they are a part of the channel, it will return the message back to each one of the clients, as the chat program is designed to do. And then this is the format of what the actual message will look like. So
first we will do make clean build. So our server is started, and it is started on 5051 port. Then we will start our clients. On the same port. In which server is already running. Yeah, so when client is connected to the server, it will print this message, you are connected to server. And if user type the help method, it will show all the methods available in this. And now we will start the second client. So now we will set the nickname. So it will print the information like nickname change from none to Alex. Then join gossip. So if we try to join the channel without setting the nickname, it will give us error. So it will print like you need to set nickname to join the channel. And then you need to so currently in gossip channel, we have only one client. So from if we so now gossip channel has two clients, and if we post, now this message reflects to each client which have joined the channel. So if we put anything else except from these methods, so it will give the error incorrect input. Please type help for the correct. So now we have successfully removed from the channel. So this is the implementation of our chat server application.